Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and day 3 in Pacific Beach. The end of day 3 in Pacific Beach. We have made tremendous progress. All of the plants out here in the front have been sunk. Irrigation drip has been run to each plant and all of the lines have been buried. We installed a basalt fountain in this area here. We are going to be hanging tillandsia wool here. Some of you have expressed concern about the staghorn frying, but don't worry. This client just recently, well, a year ago, they moved into this house. This came from another home where it did get fried, but this is going to be in the shade pretty soon, and it hadn't been watered. This is Pacific Beach, it's very coastal, so you can see it's already throwing off some new growth right here. All is well with the staghorn, no worries. I finished my little tapestry today. We're going to be using a new rock. I'm very, very excited. We're using something called basalt black, something. I know that's a basalt fountain, but the rock is also called basalt. And it's like a black matte chip. It's extremely cool. Very excited about it. It won't be arriving until tomorrow afternoon though, but we'll be going with a finish of that black rock all through these areas in here. I will be pulling in white Creva and sprinkling with a charcoal gray fiberglass. With the accent of all of the blue pots, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. There are a lot of, these balls aren't staying here either, by the way. They're just up out of the way. But I'll be staging a lot of the balls, and the client's got some amazing balls, doesn't she? Look at those things. They're fabulous. So we are going to have fun in here when it's time to do the finished work.
That's why Emilio.
Tomorrow is going to be a very big day. We're just getting started, moving a little bit of soil, but tomorrow will be the bulk of it. We're going to get all of this moved. We're going to get the boulder staged. I'm going to sort through the client's collection and figure out what I can salvage, what we can maybe rehabilitate, and yeah. Day 3, this is going to be a spectacular tapestry with a flagstone walk path and lots of really beautiful big specimen plants. Until then, this has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with Team DFS in Pacific Beach, and the end of day 3 and your succulent tip of the day.